Assalamualaikum and welcome to Easy Coding with Ammara, and in this video I will show you how you can fetch data from any website and show in your Flutter app. So let's start. First of all, I will show you the demo. So this is app, and after the splash screen you can see here the data is coming, and this data is coming from this website. Okay, so I fetch data from my website and show in this list view. So yes, in this video I will show you how you can easily fetch the data from the website. So let's start. So in the previous video I create a page for the post here. So first of all, I create three list view because I want to fetch this title, this code, and the link of this post. Because when someone click on this post, the post is open in the website. Like when I click on this floating action button in Flutter, the post is open in the website. So for opening this post I need the link of this post. Okay, so that's why I create three list, one for the title, one for the link, and one for the code. Okay, so yes, here I create three lists. So now I want to fetch the data from this website. Okay, so I copy the link of this website and store in a variable. So first of all, I create a function now. I store the link here like this. So you will see this type of error. So first of all, we have to import the library for this HTTP. Open this file and paste this library here and close this. Again open this file post.dot and click Ctrl S. So after you clicking the Ctrl S, this type of view is open. Then click on this get dependency, and you can see this type of dependency is executed successfully. Okay, now close this and import here this library. So after that, I store the body section in this document. So for importing this DOM, we have to include this library here, HTML library, and again go to this and press Ctrl S for saving and import this library by clicking this button get dependencies. And so this is executed successfully, and now close this here and import these two libraries. Sorry, I include this HTTP two times, this type of library. Okay, so in this code, first of all, I call this link, and after getting the data from this link, I store the data in this document. Okay, so now first of all, open this website and right click on this title and inspect button. You can see this type of code is open. So first of all, I want to fetch this title from this website. So right click on this title so that the code of this title is open. So yes, this code is open and the title is present inside this A tag. And first of all, we have to give the class name of this title. Okay. And this tag A is closed in this div. Okay. So first of all, I call this div by using this class and store in a variable. So like this here, we store this division in this element variable. And now I want to get this floating action button in Flutter title from this A tag. So come to this page and write. So I write like this tag is A and I want to get the data from this tag. So I use inner HTML to get the data inside of this A tag. Okay. And now I write 0 here to get the first title from this website. So if you want to get the second title from this website, you can use one and like this. And now I want to get this code from this website. So right click on this website, this section and press inspect. So when you click on this, right click on this section, you can see this type of code is open, and inside this code, when I click on this code, you can see the code. This code is appear here. Okay. So now I want to get this code. So first of all, I get this class and store in another variable like this. So copy this code from here and paste here. Just change the name, content, and write the class name and create content. Similarly, copy this code from here and paste here and store in this post list. Use content here and now the data is stored in p tag. So write p here and we want to get the data inside this p tag. So yes, we write inner HTML. Okay. Similarly, now I want to get the link and store in this link array. So now click on this. As you see that this title is a link. So yes, we can get the link from this title. So right click on this link and you can see that in this class here is a link of this page. So we can fetch the link from href attribute. So first of all, get this class. I again copy this and paste here for the link. As we are using link here. So I rename it link to and remove entry content from here and write the entry title. And now again copy this code for the link and use link to here. And now we are going to fetch the link. So first of all, the link is present in a tag, so we use a here. And now we are going to get the data from this attribute, so we use attribute here. Attribute name is href. Okay, so in this way we can get the link of some specific list view. So this code runs. Now I'm going to close this, and in this page you are seeing that 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 titles are present. So in our list view 7 posts are appear. So this code is run 7 times and store the link of the post in this post array. Sorry, this is link array. Okay, so this code runs 7 times and store the link of 7 posts in this array. Similarly, this code runs 7 times and store the post in this post array. And similarly, this code runs 7 times and store the title of the post in this title array. Okay. Now we are going to create a list view and show this data in the list. And I call this function in init method. And now as you see that this list is appear, when this list is appear, you can see when this list is appear, this list, you can see here an animation. Okay, for this animation we have to write dependency here and import this dependency for the animation. Now open this file and press Ctrl S to import this dependency. Click on get dependency and import the dependency, and you can see that this is executed successfully. Okay, set the background color. As all the length of the list is equal, so you can use any list for the length, for getting the length. Okay, press Alt Enter to import this library for the supply screen. Sorry for the animation. give the position and duration for the animation. So in this way I create the animation for the list view. And now I create the card view for the list view. Inside this card I create container and set the color of container and create a column in this container. So I give the color of this container, create a column in this container, and inside this container I create two text view, one for the title, okay, and I set this text view in the right side, so I use this align class to set the title in the left side, because by default the title is in the center, okay. After that I give the space. So for space I use the size box and set the height 15. So after the text, there is a space of 15, and after that create another text view, and this text view is for the post, like this post, okay. And I set the color white. And now nothing has happened when someone click on the item of the list view, because I did not write any code for that. So first of all, give some space padding in this card. So click on the card and click on this icon and give the padding. So wrap this with padding 10, and now cut all this code and create a gesture detector which detects when someone click on the list view. And here a method. First of all, create a child and paste that code which I cut before. And here is a method on tab, and when someone clicks on tab, we want to open the website of the post. So if you want to open the link of the website, you have to import a library for that. Also URL launcher, and now click on this post.dot and press Ctrl S to execute this library, and this library is executed successfully. Now when someone click on this item of the list view, we have to open the website. So yes, in this way you have to import this. So if the post is opened successfully, then it launch the code, otherwise it show the error. Okay, now I run this code and show you the output. So the code is run successfully, and you can see that nothing is happened here. Okay, now let's check the code. First of all, I write here condition. So if the list view is equal to 0, print no data and change the color So yes, here I changed the color of this text view and now put colon here. So if the length of this post is equals to 0, then show this text no data, and if the length of this post is not equals to 0, then it will show us the list view. And before run this code, one more mistake we have done is copy this cut code from here and set the state. So first when I run the code, the length of all the list is equals to 0, and when the data is loaded from the website and the length of this post is updated, then set state help us to change the length of the list. So now run the code. And now open the app and press back, and you can see that first it show no data. So here run again this code. So now stop this code and delete this app from, and now I run this code again. So after the reply screen, you can see that here no data, because the data is coming from website and it takes some time, and the data is loaded from the website. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, please tell me in comment and share with your friends. We will proceed further in the next video. Allah Hafiz.